Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Identityiq credit and identity protection app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Identityiq is a credit and identity protection app designed to help users monitor their credit, detect fraud, and safeguard personal information. It provides access to credit reports, identity theft alerts, dark web monitoring, and tools to help users stay informed about suspicious activity. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is mainly used by individuals who want stronger control over credit health and personal data security. The app's main features include real-time fraud alerts, identity monitoring, credit score tracking, and notification of any changes to your credit profile. Identityiq also scans the dark web for leaked personal information and provides educational tools to help users improve their financial awareness. It works continuously in the background to notify you if your information appears in risky places or unauthorized accounts. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its detailed reporting, strong monitoring tools, and the peace of mind that comes from early fraud detection. The app is especially useful for people rebuilding credit, protecting financial accounts, or monitoring for identity theft. Users also find its alert system reliable and its dashboard easy to understand. However, there are some drawbacks. Identityiq is a paid service, and its subscription plans may feel expensive compared to competitors. Some users mention that the amount of data provided can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners. Additionally, certain advanced tools require higher-tier plans, which increases overall cost. In summary, the Identityiq app may be worth using if you want strong, proactive credit monitoring, identity theft alerts, and detailed financial insights. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option or prefer simpler tools with fewer reports, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.